Hi guys, it is me, Misscrazygames, and today I finally, in a long time ago, a video. It's really long time ago. I'm sorry. My apology that I not upload for a long time. I have some private situations, but now I am back. I am at home again, and today I show you one thing. I won't show you today shop log. It's a very different one because I'm happy what I buy today. I go show you now. I think maybe give me a second. I go do my tripod a little bit higher so you can really. I'm so sorry for my really weird setup thing. I try something new. Also, sorry for pulling my cat here. She want you want attention, Stitch. I'm filming here. Oh, okay. Yeah, he is also today here. Hi, Stitch. Hi. Today, I show you. I have a really big bag here. Like it's, you cannot see. It's so big. It's not. But I will show you only thing now. Give me a second. Yes, I have some pictures from my cats while I go to the store. So I have two little pictures of my cats that I show on my desk. I love my pictures. I love my cats, so that's why I bought some pictures and print them out. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah. Also, I have very good stuff today. Yes, there was a new store in the here where I live, a very brand new one. I think 2 days. And there are Pokemon cards, and I never buy big stuff, only single packs. I do that all the time, but sorry. But now I go show you something very big. I really love these things I bought today. I bought the new 51, the binder set. I really love this pack. I really bought it so many times ago. I really love this. It's like you have the binder, you have the cards, and I know this card set is. I see many things about it, so I hope I get maybe a good bill. Also, they give me. Oh, it's flipping out. Oopsie. Also, they bring me a little gift. So I can also. They have a card inside. Let's see what that card is. Let's. My cat just love this. I don't know why, but okay. Also, I did some research. I bought my first every set of Stitch want to move. I bought the sparkling set. I never find this. I tried to find. Sorry for the. Maybe I maybe have to flip it out. Might give him a second. Maybe I took a guy higher. Oh, why it's not higher? I hope it's good now. But here is it. The big sparkling set. I really love this. Let's see what I get. This in is. I never buy this box. You know, I never have those kind of box sets, but I know that is a very popular set, so maybe get some good. I don't know, maybe. But you know, I'm a collector. I like to collect cards, but I also do it for fun. I'm not an investor like that. I like it, you know. So yeah. Also, I buy from the same other store. A new plate for my food for the cats, you know, like the food. I could throw this thing, sorry for my, oh there. Yeah, see, I have the new plate. I have other one, so my cats have new 2 plates because they are too big and they have hungry. So that's why I go share, no share anymore. I go to have their own plate. And also, I buy filled for my pins that I ordered like other stuff, so it's good for now. Alright. Also, oh yeah, it's yeah. something other different stuff. Okay. Yeah. If you know on the store, I can show you a little bit. Thanks to this store that I have, this is a store where I bought the set cards. And they're a good store, and I will buy more from that store because I love the store. Okay, let's see what their gift card is. They give me some free cards, so let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Oh, they bring 2 dicks. Oh, also candy. Also candy. Okay. Oh, they give me a fun pack. Oh, that's funny. It's like 3 cards from the fun pack from the Masquerade set. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's just the crockery and the thing, and I don't know. Funny. Sweetie cats. Sweetie cats. Okay. Time to bring the big one. Let's see. I don't got this because I don't edit it because I'm maybe too lazy to edit. Also, my cats. Why are you Stitch? No, that is not for you. That is chocolate. No. Yeah, that's what you played. I know, Stitch. I know. Okay, I go open the binder. So give me a second. So sorry for my rambling now. Yeah, I talk to my cats and like that stuff. But I try to open this binder set. I know where is the give me some. Oh, I have it. Okay, I have it. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, I'm so hyped. Oh, look. I really love this binder. I really love it. It's so nice. I really do. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh. You know, if you know me for a time and you see me, yeah, that I'm a huge Mew fan, and so yeah, I'm so happy with this. I like this binder. I do many cards in. So okay, I have also here the packs. And fun fact, I know those packs are very hyped. I still have made resale, so a reprint. I mean, so I'm. I don't know that. Yeah, we see what we get from those cards. Let's see what we got. Okay. Let's see. I have here Stitch. No. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we pull with those sets. Let's see. I'm very high voltage inside. Let's see. Also, I do my own way from pulling because I know you can like 3 cards away like that, but I don't want to do that. Also, Stitch also looking what I do. It's funny. Okay. I got it here. Also, this card, I think I leave it there. Okay. Also, fun fact, I want to keep this inside like this. Okay, let's see. We have a horsey. Either one. Okay. Albert. Dit. Color red. Shot. Monty. Krabby. Okay. What? Needle queen. Whoa, what the? Oh, finally I get some good. I'm not sure how many this, but finally I get. Oh, yeah. Oh, and the shiny basic energy. Oh, I need to sleeve it first. Wait, give me a second. I can take my sleeve because I want to quickly. Give me a second. I will take my sleeves. Okay. No. Wait a minute, I got it. Ah! Here we go, sign sleeve. Good, good. Okay, and for now, let's see. Also, what? What was also this? Also the shiny one, I see. So I go take it. Also this one, and this one, and that's why I will leave it here. Okay, let's see the next one. Also, okay, let's see. Let's see the final different one. Okay, let's go. Oh, very nice card to see. Oh, this is a nice Evasaur. Slowbro, I love Slowbro. Okay, a shiny Caterpie. Een Helix for you, okay. And a Chansey. It's not here in the set now, but it's okay. It's no problem. Let's see what is the... These still are... No, is it shiny? Oh yeah. Also this one. And the Caterpies. Also, I see... No, okay. Second. Oh. Okay, let's go. And the full drop. Ready? Seal. Double, but okay. Oh, my shop. And a Poliwrath. Oh, what the? Oh, this Alakazam, I really love him. Wow. Oh, that Alakazam. Oh, I really love this one. Oh, yeah. Oh. Now I know the reason why this set is maybe popular, because you get really good cards out of it. So I have to search what the word from the card is, but I'm happy for. Also have one last one, but also let's see what are some shinies. This is one, and this also. So I think. Yeah. Okay, the last one. No. No. Stitch, I really love you, but go please play somewhere else. Okay. Okay. The last one. Last. Sorry for the noise. Stitch, why are you in my bag? You know cats. They love. Stitch, stop. Stitch, what? Okay. Cats. He's a kitten, so he loves to play. Okay, let's see what we got with the last card set. Okay, we're in Krabby. Oh, same. Oh, look like the same bag. That's funny. A big air balloon. Primate. Oh. Pharaoh. A Vaporeon. Oh my, I love this Vaporeon. Oh. Caterpie. Why I something with Caterpies? But I love this Caterpie. Yeah, I think you know, I think now I know that this beloved set because you have my cards. I also think what I buy for this whole set, I think I will definitely go to that store again because they give me now good pooling, and I, you know, sometimes have very bad luck with only single pooling, but now. But you know, I really want the binder because the binder, you can also separate loss, but you know, but I think, oh, I cannot do it on camera. Also sorry for my, I think I go edit the video, I think, I'm not sure, but let's see what it, how in the, come on you, why and the, oh, finally I got the, oh, yeah, yes, I'm very proud of it. For now, is it a shiny? Oh, wait, the lottery is shiny, that's good. That is going here. Let's see what other cards are shiny. I really love this Vaporeon. I love this cards. It's maybe not so, it's very fun. Oh, I love this. Yeah, but I think I've also do my, oh, it was all shiny. Here you go. Okay, so from all the cards we have, I'm happy what I pulled today. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm not, yeah, I'm happy with this card set. I really love, I love, yes. Okay, now we do some other, okay, let's do the big one. The big Shuriken Spark box. Let's see what I found. I never buy those sets, you know, boxes, because I'm more on solely. Stop doing that. You have a pull, you know, to do that. Okay, I go open it. Give me a sec. Also, this is the first time I buy such biggie box. And also this box told me that very popular, so, oh my, where are my scissors or something like that? You need them. Oh yeah. Okay, I can use my fingers, no problem. Let's open this big baby. Let's see. Also, I really like this package. It's, I really love this package. Look, it's so big. But where's the? Okay. Oh, like this. Oh, you see, this is why the first reaction for somebody that only buys single packs is this. Oh man, I love this set. Maybe I go buy more boxes like this because I love this. Also, it's like a. Ooh. Also little, oh, that is, oh, I really, ooh, okay, let's see, what do we have here? Okay, we have the card sets here. What the, okay, we have, the, what? Wait, is it a promo? Wait. Can somebody tell me this is the promo or not? Wait, what? I have no idea that I get this card. I know that. Oh, have I lucky this time? Why I get this card? I'm not sure if it's promo or not. I'm not sure, but look, it looks like not promo. How in the? Oh my! I go shirt off this promo card or not? Let's see. Wait, give a second. Oh yeah, see, it is a promo. But I think it's a good promo. I'm not sure it's yeah, but yeah, and there's also this Ico. Wait, Ico's. I have more stuff here, but I think for this is a good deal. Where are my sleeves thingies? Oh, I'm so messy. Oh, where is it? See, wait. I have an easier place to do this. Oh, here. Okay. Okay. So okay, nice. Look, it's showing here. Like okay. Also, what is this? Oh, I have also sleeves, and also I think because it's like a trainer box, you can have your sleeves like that, and okay. Also, they give me some. Ooh, I love this double lights. Ooh, and we have also. Oh, nice. That's nice, but I go leave it here. Also, I think it's all energy card or let's see, open it. I know there have also oh yeah, see, it's all energy cards. Okay, I'll leave it there. I leave it there, and this I leave it here, and then okay, I have here. Wow, so many. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do this. Oh, okay. Let's see what we got. You know, there's a new set. I really love this set. You know, I know I have some a good pearl in the first try, but another. So let's see. Okay, here we go. And I know I do not on the same like the order I would because I don't know how. You know, it's like you say two cards, but new cards are different from the older sets, so I'm not sure. Okay, we have the is it a for Corona? Okay. Togepi. Bitsy. Oh, I really love it. Yes. Reggie Steel. Esper. Okay. Vicatini, ja. Een Togekiss. En een Monkey. En een Okja. Okay. Not from the sets, but we have more. So I see that this one are like here, and the other card set are going here. Okay. Oh, let alone. See what we got. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's Snorlax. Funny one. Oh. Een chili cheese. Okay. Een Palladiatorus. Okay. Oh, Latias. Nice. Okay. Ooh. I really love this one. And an Orco. I know how you call it card, but I'm not sure. I think I own this already, but I'm not sure. But okay, it's a fine card. I leave it a little bit here because I think I know this one and I also have the card. So I will put them here. And I know I really love the other cards more. Although I love every card. I love every card, but I think this is the card. Oh, blingy one. Okay, good. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, a box for her. Guilty one. Oh, okay. Okay. Een scramble switch. Oké. En een diklet van de Aloha diklet. Oh. And a skateboard. Oh, I like this. I really like this one. Well, it's not, but we have more, so. Okay, I got this one. Here. And here. I think. Yes. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, let's go. Oh, well done. Another Togepi. En Hilly. Oké. Oh, waarom kan ik dit? Server. En een Pottoon. Een Iron Bundle. Oké. De Magnadon. Een Shoodle. Wat is die? En een Turbo. Oh, the other Turbo. And that's it. Oh, not so. That's not. Yeah, it's okay. Is this also a shiny version? I see. Let's see if this. Yes, it's. And this one. Let's see if the other one are shiny. No. Okay, yeah, it's. We have many to go, so we know what's in those cards. Let's see. Oh, I did something wrong, but okay, it's fine. So I just leave it out here. Rotom, Vibra, Klefki, Bravo. Oh. Oh, it's fabulous. Oh, it's funny. This is the different. That's oh, no, another schedule. And a Landorus. Oh man, not for Goop or for now. I see. Let's see. Is it Sable? Oh, so Sable. Oh yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, Alander, the liquor. Oh, sure. Okay. Oh, okay. This Pearl. An Awesome Rail. A Mountain. Funny. Magazine. Technical Milton the Woo. Okay, but I like this shiny version. And on Fire. And this also, and okay, then we leave it here. Also this one, and also this one. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Let's see. Oh. I did it again, wrong time. That's okay, but I like this one. Okay. Ja. Oh, alles selectie. Oh. Okay. Also. Taurus. Cast. And I'm not sure what this one, but. And Flygon. Huh? Ooh. Oh, I really love this one. You know, I love Flygon. Oh, I like this one. Oh, it's so shiny. Oh, where's mine? Oh, I really love this one. It's a good one. It's maybe not so much, but I don't. You know, I love cards. I do not. If I see and have a double, yeah, maybe I sell it, but mostly I'm a collector, and most cards I don't want to sell. It's like if it's valuable, I love it, but never go sell it because I love cards, and so yeah, that's why I also do it for fun. So also for 2 left to go. Let's see what we have here. These 2 are here. I see another shiny stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Okay. I'm right on in code project. Go Grino. For that. Taurus. And then 0. I think I have many of those cards. I'm not sure how many, but I know this shiny one and shimmy. Okay, last one. Let's see. The less from best, they told me to yeah, okay. Oh, let's see what we have. These are some sad cards I don't have. That's good, because I also collect like the cards that I don't have, so I really love this already. Oh, no, not this. And silver again. An apple too. Ooh, Esper in a shiny version. Oh, of course I learned like in a shiny one. And a Taurus, and it is, yeah, it's yeah, from all the sets, but I think that if you pull the promo, or I'm not sure how many cards were valuable or not, but I think that I pulled the cards that I also I searched on internet how much this of I have my film about it, but I really love this one too. I think what I pulled today is good. I love it. You know, I love it. Like, yes, yes, I like this set. I really like what I pull. It's like, I really love it. Yes, I'm happy with the cards. Yes, I'm happy with it. And why I know not to do it, I'm not sure how of this have the same valuable of the other, but that's why I have no sleeve. Not yet, because I'm going to search on internet what are valuable about it. And if it's valuable higher, then I have the sleeve on it, because I'm also, I've always my cards protecting. I have also, when I go buy cards, like, I will always put on a binder. Always in humility, and if I'm really touched too much, then I have gloves on. So, but last time I forgot to buy like the sleeves like this one, so it's, yeah, it's like a big deal. But yeah, you know, okay. But now I will close this video for now. Thank you for watching my content, and also thank you for subscribing to me. I'm very thankful you guys to watch my videos, and also yeah, you know, sub me. Thank you very much. Also, thank you very much for getting me to 250 subs. It's like every sub counts for me. You know, I'm happy with everybody that's subscribing to my channel. You know, you thought it like, oh, we did hit 1,000 like this. You know, it's good, but I have my own goal reason to shine, and I happy that everybody that subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. It's good for me. You know, I'm feeling so. Yeah, thank you that you how you call it in English? Yeah, you know, English is my you know, I'm a Dutchie, and so speaking in English, it's not I do, but I have some trouble for saying things what I want to say. So and I will, yeah, so sorry for all my rumbling like that. So yeah, but thank you. Also, I'm sorry that I said it for the 2 times ago. Thank you for watching my video today. And I see you in my next video. Maybe I show you my all my cards. Maybe, I'm not sure you want to see that. I could also draw more. I put some videos, short one from my drawings. I will definitely draw more because I really love to draw, but also I want to show to you that what my content about is. You know, I have many different things on my channel, but mostly I want to stay some subjects. But yeah, you know, my goal for all my channel is to make people happy, because like that you feel welcome on my channel, that you you know, I respect everybody, like, and that's what for me is important. And yeah, so also thank you for supporting me too, because I have yeah, I'm grateful that you guys sub me and help me and supporting me. And so thank you so much. And also for the second time I say this, thank you for hitting me the 250 subs like per times day ago. Thank you so much. Yes, I go close this video for now, and I see you next time in my video. I'm not sure what I will upload, but you soon. You see. Wait to see. Okay, thank you for being here. Bye bye. This is Miss Crazy, and ciao. Bye bye.